Get noticed in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. In addition, GM Certified comes with a 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty and a vehicle history report on this vehicle. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Call today to schedule a test drive.